What's going on, everyone? Today is a Q&A video. So this content creator named Handless has given me a question. Do I make money on TikTok? Absolutely not. Let me explain. Based on my personal experience, so I have two TikTok accounts, one over 25K and my personal TikTok account over 10K. So I turn on all the monetization tools that I'm eligible to dance on, like a subscription and video gifts and all the blah blah blah, blah all the bullshit. So apparently I never made any single penny. Can you believe that? Problem is, I find out TikTok actually have all this monetization tool that you can earn money from viewers. It's called TikTok Creators Reward Program. So, which is not eligible for African content creators. It's only eligible for content creators from countries like USA, UK, Germany, French, Brazil, Korea, and Japan. Only these 7 countries. So if you're a content creator from one of these country, congratulations, you are making a lot of motherfucking money, and we are not, which is not fair. We're all content creator. We all put in all work together, and TikTok treat African creators like piece of shit. That's not fair, TikTok. You gotta fix this. So my question is, from your perspective, how do you guys make money on TikTok? Let me know, because I saw so many content creators on TikTok are going live, doing crazy stuff on live TikTok live, saying dumb shit.
8 seconds. Let's get file close. File man, file man, file man,
Is that the only way you guys make money? I don't know. Let me know in the comment. How do you guys make money on your perspective as a content creator? My question is, why don't you bring all the creativity that you do on TikTok and bring it on YouTube so that you start making money? Because YouTube only deal with stuff like if you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you start making money. Because I make at least $100 a month on YouTube. And recently, I turned on Facebook Real monetization tool, and it surprised me. I earned it like $60, which is better than TikTok. Now you learn where to make money on social media. Stop wasting your time on TikTok if you're African content creator. I personally don't do TikTok video. I do YouTube short videos, post them on YouTube, and sometimes I post them on Facebook Reel and Instagram Reel, and sometimes I'll be like, okay, let me post it on TikTok. That's it. That's how I connect all my social media at once. So if you have any question, drop in the comment, and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn notification bells on so you never miss my upcoming new videos. See you guys on next week. I'm out.